everyone! Hi guys, welcome back to Yara's reading time. And make sure to follow her on Instagram and Facebook and give this video a huge thumbs up. Click the notification bell and subscribe to all of her videos. Today she's going to be reading The Trolls. And the name of the book is The Sound of Spring. The Sound of Spring. I know it's the wrong time to be reading this because it's still winter, but whatevs. It is a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping except one. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What is that sound? Maybe it's music because, like, you know, there's music notes and some rattles. Let me see. Rattles right there. Rattle. It sounds like chirping. Is there a bird in the house? Branch looks around. No bird. Mysterious. Ooh, ooh, creepy. Don't be amused. In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. He checks the village. He cannot find what is making that sound. It looks like it's coming from his hair. See? It's not. Yes, it is. See? I already read that part. See, it is coming from his head. Okay. The tripping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears the sound. Cloud Guy listens. But I think it's coming from his hair, so yeah. Okay. He hears the chirping too. He asks Branch if he's making the sound. Branch says no. Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I'm not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He is angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods, just like in the episode and the movie. And we all know he hates Branch. I mean, like, Branch hates Cloud Guy. And anyway, I read another book about trolls if you want to hear. Poppy sees her friends. She asks them, what's wrong? Branch tells Poppy about the chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. I knew it would be from his hair. Well, I think it is. Maybe there's tiny little birds inside his hair. Okay. Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Ugh. It's not a nest, it's troll hair. See? I told you the chirping was coming from his hair. Okay. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. It's so cute. I never thought Branch would be happy in this book. He's never happy. Yeah, true. But only sometimes in the movie. The little bird's mother
baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Fly! Fly, dear Betty, fly! Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. Everyone waves goodbye. Branch misses the birds, chirping a little, but not too much.
Goodbye, everyone.